Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can delete your artlist.io account. So first, you do have to make sure that you already have your Artlist account and that you've already logged into your account. And once you're here, you will see the account settings. So it should be right here if you've already logged into your account. So you just gotta explore it so that you will be able to see it. Cause there are different layouts for each country and version. So yeah, once you see the account settings, what you will just have to do is click it, and then you will see subscription or account. And then once you see it, you will just have to click it, and then you will look for the delete account or close account option. And then you will just have to click that, and then you will click request deletion and confirm with your password or OTP. You may receive a confirmation email to finalize the deletion, and make sure to download or save any content you want before deleting. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an amazing day.